All right, so I have my potatoes in here, guys, and I have 10 kilos of potatoes here, and some of them they started to sprout already, but we can still use this one. So of course this potato is huge, and look at the sprouts. Let's choose the big ones, guys. This one, OMG, look at that, it's huge as well. Two big ones, and I think we are going to get another one. I'm not going to eat these mashed potatoes. My husband and my girls are going to eat. Now let's go peel. Si, at least, Papa, si. At least I check it. I think 3 big ones are enough. This one, I will keep it. My compost. Let's wash this one. Now we're going to rinse this, guys. Look, this one is just 2 pieces. That's a lot. I think they have enough. And my husband said that he's not going to eat mashed potato either. So this one is for the girls only. So let's rinse to remove all the starch. And now it's time to boil. Now I will wrap this, guys, with paper, and maybe I will use it tomorrow. I will wrap it with just a kitchen paper, and I will use it tomorrow. Alright, guys, so this midday I thawed this meat, guys, which is pork, lean pork, and also 2 slices of salmon, and my husband and I are going to eat salmon. Okay, there you go. Now it's okay with salad, guys. So that's what I'm going to prepare food for him. And my girls, they're going to eat just the meat and the mashed potato, guys, because this midday they ate at school and they had beans, I think, yeah, something like that. Beans, eggs, and what else? And salad, yeah, eggs with something, guys. And they had salad as well, so they had vegetables already this midday, and so I want them to eat carbs for tonight. My kids aren't good eaters, guys, so we prefer them to give them a little bit of carbs. Yeah, so I will show you guys later. Alright, guys, so let's season this pork with soy sauce, black pepper, paprika powder, and garlic powder. Alright, so let's put this. I'm going to use my hand. if you can see that it is smoky, something like that, because of the vapor of the potato, guys. And then also, guys, garlic powder. I cannot on, guys, the exhaust fan because our chimney is on, and once I turn on the exhaust fan, and then the smoke will come into this side because of the air. That's why, guys. So yeah, there you go. And I think I'm going to add also a little bit of parsley, and this parsley, guys, is from our garden. I dried them into my dehydrator. Yeah, so every now and then I use this dried parsley, a little bit of oil because it's so dry, and also just a little salt because yesterday I didn't put, guys, salt, and it was a little bland, so I just add a little bit of Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt, and voila. How I wish you could smell this one, guys. The smell is so good. Guys, my phone is with me because I am counting my steps, so don't care, okay? Don't mind about my phone hanging. Okay, all right, so this is ready, and I think our potato also is ready, so I'm going to throw away the water. Alright, guys, so because it's quite a bit dry, and we are going to add a little bit of milk, just a dash, guys, of milk. I hope I have enough with the one. Okay, yes, and salt, just little. Yeah, now looks good, so good. We don't put too much butter on our mashed potatoes, so let's try if I need to add a little bit more salt. Let's try it. It needs more salt, guys. Much better. Now I'm going to prepare hubby's food. Alright, guys, here is our salmon. I will just have to season it with salt and black pepper and a little dash of honey. But because it's cold, so crystallize a little bit. But this one is unpastured, guys. This is raw honey, guys. It's not pasteurized. So raw honey is the best. If you can find raw honey in your place, then buy honey, guys, because it has very good benefits. Yeah. Alright, so I just finished massaging these salmons. Now it's time to cook. I just finished turning it, guys. So we use extra virgin olive oil with our oils, guys. It's not totally cooked here yet, but because of the honey, that's why, guys, it's like that. But inside is soft and tender. And look, it's not that totally cooked yet. And I lower down the fire, and we have to wait for maybe 3 minutes more. Alright, guys, it is cooked, so let's turn it off.
El menú no veis. Y de postres, dos mandarina.
Ila Hailey. Lakota, you have to finish your food, okay, anak? And I'm going to put her. Wait, anak, kula peras tayo. Ala taula. No, está aquí, Lakota.
¿Pero te vas a dar un tamaño o no? Lakota.
Espera. No la papá. No la
I will wash. No, don't put. I have to wash first, anak. Sí.
¿Quieres sushi?
Yo vi ketchup. Ketchup. ¿Tú comes?
Of course. You're welcome. 마음에 줘봐. 몰베.
So good.
Una fechoría candida.
Hailey's.
Thank you, Mama.
Gracias, cariño.
Apple salad.
Y después pienso que también us hubiera puesto desconectar pantalla, ¿no? Ok.
Pampas, em fiques allà, si us plau. Aigua, si us plau.
A mi? Ah, molt bé.
Let's eat.